Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this charging station here for MagSafe charger. It is a 3-in-1 foldable MagSafe charging station and it's compatible with the iPhone 12 and 13 series, AirPods Pro 2 and 3, and the Apple Watches. iWatches from 7.6 SE 543 up to 2 version. An 18-watt adapter is included, okay? We have here a 3-in-1 MagSafe compatible charging station. While this magnetic charger charges our iPhone 12 and 13 series phones, the charging pad simultaneously dispenses our AirPods 3 Pro and 2 and iWatch 7.6 SE 5432, and this is ideal and compatible with the magnetic function of the iPhone 13 and 12 series, as well as with MagSafe mobile phones cases. It's maybe not compatible with the iPhone 11 or older models. For this, we have to perform a little bit more. That means we need a case which have a magnetic function on it to let it better in position. Then you can try it that it will works. But the manufacturer will say not compatible with the iPhone 11. We should charge, or we are only use a charging head with a power of more than 18 watt. This is important because we are going to use up to 3 devices at once to recharge over only one of these power adapters. So it's not a good idea to use an USB-A to USB-C cable and your computer or your laptop or your tablet with it, because maybe this is a little bit too much for it. So the small AC adapter is not the right choice for this. You know, the small ones. It has to be an 18-watt powered AC adapter to reload these 3 devices at once. We have a strong magnetic attraction and a perfectly positioned. A built-in high-quality magnet, super suction power is enabled. It fixes the device in any ideal position and it locks into place for even more efficient and solid charging. Its foldable design and multi-support angle charging is awesome. We're charging with magnetic support for charging station the iPhone 12 and 13 series. The support angle can be adjusted as needed and can be folded, so we can charge the device in landscape format for watching videos or portrait mode for message and face recognition. The small size makes it easy to carry in our bag at work, at home, or while traveling. And with ergonomic design, the adjustment angle of the magnetic charging position is 90 degrees. The stand is stable and suitable in height. The viewing angle can be flexibly adjusted depending on the sitting position, especially suitable for use on desks and bedside tables. Efficient processing for mobile phones information. And click and charge. Only magnetic alignment for e-charging. Easy to remove. No annoying plugging and unplugging the charging cable. We make our desktop tidier. We use a MagSafe case or without a phone case to achieve an optimal charging experience. With using a non-magnetic phone case weakens the magnetic connection between the phone and the charging station and drops. So take care of it. Note that accessories such as a metal card holder, rings, hold, etc. may affect the charging process. So you have to try first a little bit, try it if you have additional parts on your phone, that it works. And if you can see it works, okay, then use it. It's good to use because it's high-end textures, aluminum alloy and glass material with sun pattern technology, high quality textures, and beautiful and generously. This is the Hohosb charging station. with strong magnetic absorption. A built-in premium magnet achieves an accurate alignment to the wireless charging sweet spot. And we have 3-in-1 wireless charging station here on the desk. It provides 3 charging spots to charge an iPhone, AirPods, and iWatch simultaneously. And we have a standard foldable design. Adjustable angle for perfect viewing. Foldable design makes it easier to take it anywhere we like. And high textures. Aluminium, glass, sunlines process, good thing. The input port is a Type C port. The input voltage is in DC 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, or 12 volt 1.5 ampere. The output phone is 15 watt, 10 watt, 7.5 watt, and 5 watt. The output earphones is 5 watt maximum. The output watch 2.5 watt maximum. The color is here white black. We have aluminum alloy plus PC plus ABS and silicon. The product size is 137 to 65 to 30 millimeter. And we have a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger with a Type C cable and so much joy. We have LED beams, okay? These LED beams will give us some information. Power connected, LED lights on for 1.5 seconds and then it turns off. Standby, turns off. Mobile phone charging, green light. Earphone charging, blue light. Mobile phone and earphone charging simultaneously, light blue light. Wow. Watch charging, nothing. FOD, mobile phone, green light flashing. FOD, earphones, blue light flashing. FOD, mobile phone and earphone, light blue light is flashing. What is FOD? It means foreign object detection, okay? If it is not compatible, you will see that. So you can see it's really easy, and it's awesome to use this because you can reload 3 devices in one go. This brings the Hohosb charging station for MagSafe charger to you at home. It's a 3-in-1 Foldable Mag-Safe charging station, and it's compatible with the iPhone models 12 and 13 series, with the AirPod Pro 2 and 3, and the iWatch 7X SE5432. All is compatible. And included is an 18-watt adapter, which you should use, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.